Hey, this is Garrett with ULA Equipment, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust our extra small framing system that you can find in the extra small circuit, as well as our kids spark pack. It's going to be a little bit daunting at first, but stick with me. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to get that true torso fit and make sure that your pack is all set up for your next adventure. Okay, so I've got a kids spark pack here. It's empty. You're going to want to make sure that the pack is empty whenever you go to adjust the torso. Might be a little bit obvious. If you have an extra small circuit, it's going to be the same framing system, so you can stay tuned in to what I'm about to tell you. So you're going to notice that the shoulder system is a little bit different. It's not sewn in like it is on our standard pack. On the extra small framing systems, this is actually Velcroed in. So it's similar to the way that our hip belt is. So the hip belt is vertically adjustable and has the Velcro at the bottom. This is going to have the same system. It's vertically adjustable and has Velcro that locks it into place. In order to adjust the shoulder strap portion, we're going to take both of our hands and insert them to separate this Velcro. It's going to take a little bit of effort. So now I've got my hands between and I've got the pack Velcro separated. So now I can move it vertically, I can move it down, I can move it up. So whenever you're lining up your torso measurement, if you need it to be a little bit longer, then you would move the torso up at the shoulder strap system. We always recommend leaving the hip belt where it is. Try to leave it at the bottom of the pack and only adjust this shoulder strap system if you can. If you've maxed out the shoulder strap system, then you can go ahead and adjust the hip belt accordingly. So like I said, these separate and move vertically up and down. Now, whenever you're trying to measure your torso, it's going to be the measurement from the bottom of the hip belt to where the seam of the shoulder strap is. Good torso measurements for the extra small torso system are 12 to 18 inches, 12 to 18 inch torso. And here I'm demonstrating how to adjust the torso size. So first you want to loosen up your load lifters to make sure they stay out of your way. Now I'm going to work my hands in between the Velcro to separate the shoulder strap system from the pack. Once that happens, I'm going to move it down to make the torso size smaller on the backpack. And as I remeasure, we're going to see that I have about a 17-inch torso. So if you want to make the torso size bigger, you would just do the opposite and move the shoulder strap system up the pack. Okay, I've got a loaded out spark right here on the mannequin. Whenever you're testing the fit of your backpack, you want to make sure that you have some gear loaded in it. That way it's weighted down and is going to sit on the hips properly. Now, whenever you've done that and you're trying on the pack, if you find that your shoulder straps are sitting high above your shoulder, they're not making contact, you want to move this shoulder strap portion down the torso. And on the opposite end, if you find that the pack is sitting really low below your shoulders, you want to move that up the torso. So you want to lengthen the torso to accommodate for that. If you need some more information on how your backpack should fit, we have another informational video called How to Fit Your Backpack. That'll tell you everything that you need to know.